Hey guys, it's Mangas. You might be wondering where's my sign, and sadly I lost it. But still, please like and subscribe, comment down below, and give some video ideas. So I will be showing you, because some of my old slimes, I added some borax into it. And so I'm just going to show you them and my new slime. So this is not my new slime. So all I did to this was I added some borax to it, and I kind of added some gold food coloring, so it's really cool. Here, wait, look how hollow that is. I don't know, I think it is. It's pretty cool. It's pretty sticky, so I might want to just put my hands in the fingertips in the borax and then take it onto the slime. I'm still gonna add a tiny bit more because it's still a little sticky. Yeah, I guess I'll do some ASMR at the end of the video. So, yeah. And, yeah, it looks really cool. I like it a lot. And so, this is my unicorn barf slime, as you can tell. So, I added borax to it, and I added lotion to it, so now it's like a milky slime. And I added pink food dye. And you never actually saw me play with this, but it's pretty cool. It has a lot of sparklies in it. Oh wait, guys, you need to listen to this. Shh, everybody be quiet. Was not that the best ASMR ever? Probably not. A lot of people do a lot of better ASMR, but like that was like a really good crunch. And this is even without the bubbles, so it's really crunchy. So this is my newest slime. I call it bubblegum because, so when I was playing with it, there were some tissues, and I went like a bubble, and I went like that. Sticky. Yeah, and then it got some tissues in it, and then it was all crumpled, and then it kind of, I don't know, it kind of made this really cool like texture in it, and it kind of looks like, I don't know, I really like it. Like, it changed it somehow. I like it a lot. I made like, here, I'll go get a tissue, like some 2 tissues for you so you can see. Look at this line. So, here's my 2 tissues. I'm kind of nervous, but, well, I did it. And then just kind of knead it in. And then it looks like chewed up bubble gum, and it's so cool. Here. Oh, just so you know, guys, this is a like really sticky slime. So it doesn't usually do that when I stretch it. It's so weird, like the texture. It feels so weird. Here, I'll show you. Here, I'll do a swirl for you guys so that you can look. Like, the texture is really cool, and then it makes it like this really cool texture, like bubblegum, like chewed bubblegum. So, yeah. has these like tissue pieces in it. Tissue piece. Like, it literally never goes away. It just, like, may go away. So we'll start with this ASMR, this one, and we'll move down the line. So I'm going to get my ASMR stand, aka just a milkshake cup. Camera thing was over there. Perfect. Bye, guys.